Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video is a continuation of the last video. I have this Beebeecraft jewellery kit to start using. We're going to do that in today's video. And first we're just going to demold those pieces and see what they came out like. And I might have made a few hundred more on top of that. But yeah, let's go. Now that you've seen that demolding, let me just tell you that your girl could not stop. I became fully obsessed and I have been creating more and more resin pendants over the last 4 days. I got this brand new mold. Check this out. Oh! Anyway, yeah, I just kept going, couldn't stop, and I've created so many more pieces. I've got stud earrings here, I've got necklaces, kind of like matching sets. Yeah, the feathers just kept on coming. And what can I say? I couldn't stop. I just became fully obsessed. Anyway, I'm going to stop talking now and I'm going to start putting these all together. Oh my gosh, let me zoom out. So much here. And let's get started. Right, the first pair of earrings I'm going to make are out of these absolutely gorgeous wings that I made last night just using pink and orange glitter. I just feel like they are rocking that colour. Trying to get the center, if you can see them there. So they're quite big, they're quite chunky. I'm going to use the biggest stud available in the pack, which is this one here. It's quite a chunk. I'm going to use some UV resin on the back of this and attach it to. Right, I just realised the ones I put on the skulls were actually the medium studs, but they're fine, they work fine, really, really strong. For these huge wings, I am going to use the giant studs. These are actually the biggest ones that I got in the pack that I got, and I'm just going to stick them on the backs right at the top to give maximum support to these earrings. Again, these are quite light, they just look big and heavy. Right, I thought I'd bring you in for a closer look because I'm very aware that you can't see necessarily all the fiddly details, but these are the large ones that I just did. If I show you the back, that's what they look like with the stud right at the top. And then I've got the skulls over here, which are all looking great. And these are the tiny, teeny little bitty ones that I did with the smallest stud on the back. If the camera wants to focus, probably doesn't. Let's have a go. There we go. So that's the back of the tiny ones. So I'm not going to do any more on camera for you guys. I don't really want to, you know, bore you for the next hour because this has taken a good hour already just to get these done. I'm just fiddling around really, making sure that those studs are exactly where you want them to be. But yeah, I'm going to move on to some necklaces. And I've got a really funky idea of where I want to join a couple of pieces together just to make it extra special. So yeah, we'll move on now. Right, so my plan is to take these two wings that I've made and put this in the center. What do we think? I think that's going to make a pretty cool necklace charm. So I'm going to get some UV resin and glue that on there like so, and then hook the chains up from either side. But yeah, I'm loving that. I'm loving it. Okay, that is glued. Oh, how cool is this? Oh my gosh. I've reinforced it with some of that UV glue at the back. Now I'm just going to drill a hole into each of these corners here, enabling me to actually attach it to a chain. Guys, I'm loving this one. That is what it looks like with the two silver hoops on each end. Now what I've done with these ones, I've actually put a little bit of UV glue in through that hole just to secure them in place so that they're not just wobbling all over the place and potentially ripping out or anything like that in the future. So now all I have to do is attach this to the necklace. My thought was, as I'm going along, I'm thinking this could be like a detachable necklace. Do you know, like back in the day when we had those watches where we could change the face? How cool would this be if we just used, because in this kit from Beebeecraft actually are these. And I thought, how cool would it be if you could make a necklace with changeable charms? That is such a cool idea. If anyone out there fancies having a go at this, I think I might use these right now so that this charm then becomes detachable and whatever else you put in its place. Who knows, right? Just try everything, I think. And I'm having so much fun. So yeah, let's attach this to the necklace. and here is the result of that little brainwave that I just had to make an interchangeable section here. So the hooks are on the chain, and then I've just added loops to the edges of these, and then yeah, you can swap them out. Absolutely love this idea. Right, I'm going to move on now to the earrings there that require these loops here. So these are the ones that are perfect if you've got a mold that already has a hole in it. These guys are perfect for that. And using the clasps and all the attachments from the Beebeecraft kit, I'm going to be able to attach these to these hooks. Now for these earrings, you're going to want to open this kit up. You want to find the right size loop that is going to attach. I've got everything from tiny, teeny tiny over here to huge over here, and for the smallest earrings you really don't need the big ones, so I'm just going to work out which hoop is going to serve me best for these earrings. And this is where the tools come in handy, guys, because some of this is so fiddly. You want to be able to bend open the circles to link them through all of the holes, and yeah, that's what we're going to do. So if I take, for example, this pair here, they're tiny diddy little ones and the holes are quite small, so I'm looking at these hoops thinking this one here would be ideal. I'm just going to loop 2 of these through using the pliers to bend them open, and then before I close it I'm going to attach one of these to each earring. Right, I thought I'd give you a close-up on these. You might have noticed I switched out from my Canon to my phone. I don't think my Canon was coping with the detail and actually zooming in. So yeah, they're so tiny, guys. These are the earrings so far with these loop hooks on them. And I have to say, they are fiddly, but totally enjoyable. And once you make them, it's kind of a sense of accomplishment. Can't even pick this one up. But yeah, oh, that's the back. But yeah, I really like the way these have turned out as well. These, I think, are amongst my favorite. They just look like a galaxy in there. Love these. So we've done the studs, we've done the hoop looks, we've done the hoops, oh gosh, I can't even say it. Anyway, we've done these ones. The final thing I'm going to do is just make a matching set, necklace and earrings, using the UV resin and some bales. And then we are done. I've had the most amazing fun just sitting here all morning creating. Of course, I will go on to use all of these pieces, but that would obviously be a 10-hour video, which nobody's got time for. So anyway, let's move on to the last final bit. Right, we are on the last leg. I'm just going to bring my mat back in here. I'm going to put my triangle necklace here and my earrings on so that I can stick the bits on the back. I'm not sure this triangular necklace is going to sit very well. I'm going to hold that in place while I'm doing it. And I just want to stick this bail to the back on the edge here with the UV resin. Get that in place before attaching the bail. The bail is just gonna sit on there like that. She says, I've done this before and it's always sat in place. So hopefully I'm just gonna get the UV light on there now and secure that. Hold it under there for a while until it's secure. And then it's just the earrings. I'm sure you all saw what I saw. I put it on at the wrong angle. So I've put it on the edge here. Much better fit. And then we'll do the earrings. Right, and there you have the set. So you've got the necklace here, which matches these studs. And the studs we did earlier also match the main necklace here. So 2 nice little sets out of that as well. And that is all from me. I am not going to go on anymore. You've seen lots of different ways here to use this kit and I just love the results. So I'm going to put it all together now and show you final shot of everything I've made today. Here they are. This is basically an aerial view, side view from everything I have made today. Of course I had hundreds of pendants left over, but they are for future projects. And I really hope you've enjoyed this one. I've just put them all on a black canvas and just put the butterfly around the back of the canvas to keep them all in place. Yeah, I absolutely love them. So I'll take you through all of the studs and then the hooks, more studs. I love the skulls. I particularly love the way this one turned out and the fact that it's interchangeable. So then, you know, depending on mood, you could put this one on or you could put the feather on. The little studs are cute, super cute. Love the dangly danglies. Yeah, just love it all. And I really love this colour as well, this blue teal colour with the matching earrings. Love. I really have been looking forward to this for the longest time and I'm so glad I got the chance to use this kit because it's just made everything so easy. Fiddly, not gonna lie, but without those pliers, without those tools, I honestly don't think I could have done it, to be honest. You definitely need the right tools for the job. But yeah, let me know what you think of all this jewellery. The next video I'm going to be using these bezels. I knew there was a word for them in my last video when I did the unboxing. Strawberry bezels from Beebeecraft. I'm going to have a go at those and I'm excited to try those. But guys, I absolutely love this board of jewellery here. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.